If your Telegram desktop app is showing a black screen on your laptop, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy fix that usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. This is a common issue, and it can happen because of the app's graphic settings. But the good news is that you can fix it without reinstalling Telegram or messing with complicated system settings. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your laptop. Once Telegram is open, go to the top left corner and click the hamburger menu, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main menu with all of Telegram's settings options. From that menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see the Advanced option, then click on it. The Advanced section contains a few technical options that affect how Telegram runs on your device, and this is where we need to make one important change. Look for the Angel Graphics Backend option. This setting controls how Telegram handles graphics rendering on your laptop, and when it is set incorrectly, it can cause display issues like a black screen. By default, it is usually set to auto, but to fix this problem, change it from auto to disabled. Once you switch it to disabled, Telegram will no longer use that graphics backend, which often clears up the black screen issue right away. After changing the setting, the last step is very important. Restart the Telegram client so the new setting can fully take effect. Close Telegram completely, then open it again. When the app relaunches, check to see if the black screen is gone. In many cases, this simple change fixes the issue immediately and gets Telegram working normally again. If it still doesn't work the first time, try closing Telegram one more time and reopening it, because sometimes the setting only applies after a full restart. And that's it. You've now fixed the Telegram app black screen error on your laptop using the Angel Graphics backend setting. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes and helpful software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.